Morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Brenner.
Do we have everybody present? I think so. Are you here?
I think we're all here, Your Honor.
I'm just looking for the court reporter.
Oh, yeah, staff's witnesses are here, but
I guess we need a court reporter.
Yes. One minute. Hold on. He's sending me a text. Okay, I think that the court reporter is here. It's not who I usually have. So is there a court reporter here? Could you unmute yourself?
Oh, Your Honor, that's not a court reporter. I'm on twice because I have,
Oh, okay. Okay.
sorry.
Okay, that's okay. I just wanted to know. Yes, let me let him know. We don't have anyone. No. Okay, they're checking. They confirmed yesterday. So, okay. Okay, she should be logging in right now. Good morning.
Hello, everybody. My name is Ernie. I'm your digital reporter today, Ernie Magnus.
Good morning. Thank
Good
you for
morning.
being here.
Good to be with everybody.
Good. Are we on the record?
No, ma'am, not yet. Are you ready?
Yes, I think we're ready.
Okay.
Thank you. Are we all right?
Okay. Today's date is March the 30th, 2021. Our time is 10:11 a.m. This virtual hearing in regards to virtual evidentiary hearing in regards to Hagerstown Municipal Electric Light Plant.
Yes,
again-
that's correct.
And again, my name is Ernie Magnus. I'm with CRC Salomon. Will all attorneys please identify yourselves, after which, and the parties they represent?
Thank you. I just wanted to cite the caption. Good morning. My name is Christine Burke. I'm the Public Utility Law Judge with the Maryland Public Service Commission, assigned here for this case 9505, which is captioned in the matter of the continuing investigation of electric and purchased power cost adjustment charges of the Hagerstown Municipal Electric Light Plant. And if everybody could introduce themselves, beginning with the company, please.
Thank you, Your Honor. My name is Thomas L. Rudabush of the law firm of Duncan, Weinberg, Genzer, and Pembroke, appearing on behalf of the City of Hagerstown Light Department. Also on the phone is Nathan Freidinger, who is the Electric Operations Manager for Hagerstown Light Department.
Good morning.
Thank you.
For OPC,
Morning, Your Honor. This is Anna Ryan for the Maryland Office of People's Counsel.
good morning. And for staff, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Annette Garofalo on behalf of Commission staff.
Good morning,
morning.
Your Honor. Nan Zhang on behalf of staff, commission staff.
Good morning.
I have two witnesses, Your Honor, that I will call when afterwards.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Rudabush, is there anything preliminary that you'd like to introduce?
Yes, Your Honor, if I may. This is our annual update to the purchase power clause that the Hagerstown Municipal Light Department recovers from its customers. Hagerstown is a full requirements customer of a large power supplier, and those costs are passed through to its customers. Every year we have an annual true up, which is called the ACA, or the actual cost adjustment. This year we are returning to customers a slight overcollection from last year, and the overcollection will result in a credit in the future of $0.00113 per kilowatt hour. So I just wanted to set the stage for you. We submitted our papers on January 15th. We have a witness who's available if you have any questions. Otherwise, we normally do not call our witness. We just rely on the papers that the staff witnesses provide. So with that, that's just a little bit of background, Your Honor. If you have any questions, I'm happy to address them.
I don't have any questions. I was, do you have any exhibits that you'd like to enter?
I think they'll come in through the staff, Your Honor.
Is there a certificate of publication for today's hearing?
We did submit our papers on January 15th. It's mail log number 233322. And those papers are reproduced in the staff's testimony. So normally we don't separately identify them here, separately put them in as an exhibit.
Okay, but there was a proof of publication, is that correct?
Oh, I'm sorry. There's also the
Posted in the
notice.
Herald?
Sorry, there's the notice of publication. Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
I'd like to put that as an exhibit. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay.
Exhibit, I guess, HLD-1.
Okay, that'll be, does anybody have any objections to me admitting that into the record? I see no objection. That would be marked as Hagerstown's Exhibit 1 for the record.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And you're welcome. And Mr. Rudabush, is there anything else?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. Ms. Ryan, for OPC, do you have any witnesses or evidence to present?
He has no witnesses or evidence.
Thank you. And Ms. Garofalo, can you call your first witness, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Staff would like to call Lucy Shea. Morning, Ms. Shea.
Good morning, Ms. Garofalo.
Good morning, Ms. Shea. Can you, I would like to swear her in. Could you
Oh,
please
yes, of
raise
course.
your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm under the penalties of perjury that the testimony you're about to give is the truth?
Yes, I do.
Thank you.
Ms. Shea, do you have with you a document entitled Direct Testimony of Lucy Shea, consisting of a cover page, 9 pages of testimony, and 1 attachment?
Yes, I do.
Was this document prepared by you or under your supervision?
Yes, it was.
And do you have any changes or corrections you'd like to make at this time?
Yes, I do. It's a rather extensive revision on page 8, beginning with line 8. Should I just continue?
Yes, please.
Okay, all right. Line 8, please insert the word south. It says will be affected by, insert the word south, and then it says First Energy, and then insert the word companies and delete the word corporations. And then
Did you say that was page 8?
yes,
And what line was that?
line 8.
Mhm.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Delete, there's parentheses for, and it says Energy Harbor's parent company. Can you delete that? Okay, that's good. On line 8, continuing, on page 8, continuing, on line 12, please insert the word propose to after the word the FERC actions. So the FERC actions proposed to, and then remove the ED from established to read the FERC actions proposed to establish. On the same line 12, please delete the D in the word incorporated. So it reads incorporate. On line 14, where it says CATCO, insert the words CATCO would be, delete the word is. Line 16, delete the word Allegheny Energy AES zone and insert the words Allegheny Power Zone, all capitalized. Continuing on line 17, where it says and intends to develop, it should say and intended. So that's an ED onto that word, to develop. On line 18, can you please delete the acronym AES zone and insert South, and insert Allegheny Power Zone. That's 3 words capitalized. Okay. A little bit further down on line 21, it says, now with DBA Energy Harbor LLC. Oh, please insert the word now with, delete the word DBA. On line 24, please delete the sentence, case number 9505, parentheses, parentheses, Hagerstown Light Department, direct testimony of Lucy Shea. That's line 24 and line 25. And that is it. Can I clarify anything for you, Ernie?
No, ma'am, we got it.
Thank you.
Mhm.
May I ask staff to submit a corrected copy?
Yes,
Please, for the record?
Certainly, Your Honor.
Thank you. I think I got it all, but I prefer to have a copy.
of course.
Now, Ms. Shea, if you were asked the same questions today, allowing for the corrections that you just made, would your answers be the same?
Yes, they would.
And do you adopt this testimony as your sworn testimony in this case?
Yes, I do.
Thank you. I would ask that Ms. Shea's testimony be marked for identification as Staff Exhibit 1 and admitted into evidence.
Okay. Be marked as Exhibit 1, or Staff's Exhibit 1. Is there any objection to Ms. Shea's testimony? I'm seeing Ms. Ryan as well. Mr. Rudabush?
No objection, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. Ms. Shea's testimony be admitted as Staff's Exhibit 1. Are there any questions from OPC?
No questions from OPC,
No
Your Honor.
questions. Mr. Rudabush, do you have any questions?
I do not, Your Honor.
Okay, I did have a couple questions for Ms. Shea. Regarding the FERC PJM settlement on page 7 and the transmission electric charges. Does that charge impact this PCA?
Yes, they continue into 2025.
Okay. And I just also wanted to clarify on page 8, the NITS rate adjustment. You stated, I think, in your testimony that it does not affect the current period under review. Can you explain how it will affect next year's?
Yes, the NITS rate adjustment. Already, we've seen that in the bills from Energy Harbor that Hagerstown has been charged $13,300 and some change in January and in February. So it is expected that those charges will continue over 1 year, and then there will be a true up that PJM performs. It is not, Hagerstown doesn't perform it, and the Public Service Commission doesn't perform it.
Okay. Okay, so there will be an impact on next year's, but not on this case.
Right.
Correct.
It's not in this period under review, but it's already impacting 2021.
2021. Okay. Thank you. Are there any questions in light of my questions?
Just to clarify, the judge asked you about two different FERC PJM matters. And with regard to the first one, you said there was an impact, and that's included in your exhibit. Is that correct?
Yes.
Thank you.
Any other questions? What are my questions?
Point of clarification, my exhibit being my testimony, as I did not submit exhibits this year.
My apologies, of course.
So, just want to clarify.
No questions, Your Honor.
Okay. Thank you. If there's no other questions for Ms. Shea, thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Mr. Ruffalo, do you have other witnesses?
Yes, Your Honor. I'd like to call Nan Zhang to the stand.
Ms. Zhang, can you raise your right hand, please?
Right hand.
Yes. Do you swear or affirm under the penalties of perjury that the testimony you're about to give is the truth?
Yes, I do.
Thank you. Go ahead, Ms. Ruffalo.
Morning, Ms. Zhang. Ms. Zhang, do you have with you two pieces of testimony, one entitled Direct Testimony and Exhibit of Nan Zhang, public version, and the other entitled the Direct Testimony and Exhibit of Nan Zhang, confidential version?
Yes.
And were these documents prepared by you or under your supervision?
Yes.
And do you have any changes or corrections you'd like to make to either document at this time?
No, I don't. Thank you.
Now, is it correct that the documents are the same with the following exception? The public version has certain testimony contained in the confidential version that has been redacted from the public version.
Yes, that's correct.
If I were to ask you the questions in this testimony today, would your answers be the same?
Yes.
Do you adopt this testimony as your sworn testimony for purposes of this case?
Yes, I do.
Your Honor, I would ask that the direct testimony of Nan Zhang be, the public version, be marked for identification as Staff Exhibit 2, and the direct testimony and exhibit of Nan Zhang confidential version be marked for identification as Staff Exhibit 2C, and I would ask that both be admitted into evidence.
Okay. They will be marked as Staff's Exhibit 2 and 2C. Is there any objection to admitting them from OPC? Indicating none. Mr. Rudebush?
No. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. So admitted. I do not have any questions. Does anybody else have any questions for Ms. Zhang?
I do not, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. Anything else, Mr. Ruffalo?
I have nothing else, Your Honor.
Okay. Well, thank you very much, everybody. I should have an order out shortly. I appreciate everybody's cooperation today. If there's nothing else, we can end the meeting and go off the record.
Okay.
Thank you.
All righty.
Thank you.
Time is 10:28 a.m. This concludes today's hearing, and we are off the record. Enjoyed working with everybody. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.